This is our last trip in Hawaii. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Ulit. 1, 2, 3. Aloha! This is our last trip tour in Hawaii. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for Beam and AJ and Austin. Yeah. Aloha, Manaisters! Good morning! For today's video, we are here at Pearl Harbor, our last day tour trip in Hawaii. Hope you watch all my videos here in Hawaii. Thank you for watching.
We're gonna do that right this sign right over here.
Enjoy.
You start forming a straight line, that'd be great.
Nonchalant, may partner. Ayan, marami na pong turistang pumapasok dito sa loob ng Pearl Harbor. Bawal po ang bag, kaya dirinap muna namin yung aming bag sa car. Maraming turista. Historical place during World War II.
Recovered.
Ano to, kanyon?
Hindi, ano ka ba? Yung
Arko?
binababa sa barko.
Arko?
Yung ginaganyan, no?
Oo.
Para umano. Si Nonchalant.
1941, buhay na ba kayo nun? Ako hindi pa.
Nanay ko palang buhay.
Panahon na ng lola ko at ng nanay ko yon. Panahon ng gera. Sana hindi na maulit. Wow, ganda ng pwesto natin. Pero bawal pa rin magingay, guys.
No ingay.
May kapitbahay.
na may hikaw mo, te.
Umarap ka sa camera.
Oo, tama, Mark. Aloha.
Aloha.
We're going to Conos.
Conos. Prince Coffee. Ganyan tayo, be.
Beer ba yan?
Tapos yung side dish na lang. Yung side dish. Yung ano introduction. Paradise Cove, ang event place.
Sakto lang tayo, oh. Wala pa nga eh.
Di pa nag-start.
Magkano yung difference? No, kuha din tayo.
Oh, aloha.
That was terrible. So one more time, you guys. Aloha!
Aloha! Walang energy. Mga bagets.
Gusto mo yun? Malakas na malakas.
Kasing lakas ng subscribe, like, and share dapat. We are inside the Paradise Cove kung saan andito ang luwa-luwaw party. Ano? Yung card? Daming umatan, no? Mga lola.
Bipili-pili sa bipili.
Drinks?
Hi family, this one is going to be the alcoholic Mai Tai, red at the end is non-alcoholic.
Alcoholic. We prefer non-alcoholic.
Ito masarap, hindi matapang.
Ayan,
mamaya tikman natin.
alcoholic yun.
Pero hindi matapang.
Sure ka, halo na lang. Cheers. Cheers. Juice. Free juice.
Masarap.
Aloha, you guys. Have a nice view. Have a good time. Aloha.
Aloha.
Thank you.
Share po ka share.
Mocha. Ay, gagawin ko.
Meron kaming welcome
Drinks.
garland.
And drinks.
Mali.
Ayun o, pwedeng ikot-ikot pala. Oo. Ikot ka, punta-punta ka. Punta natin sa marketplace.
Garland.
Eh, may drinks pa.
May free drinks.
Iwanan natin dito.
Patikim nga ng drinks mo. Ito, non-alcoholic beverage.
Kuna mga ng ano, yung parang reels. Ito lang oh.
Alcoholic beverage.
Parang ganun lang, katulong ginagawa ng ka-office mate ng to. Inaano lang niya, 4. I-reels mo. Hindi ganun tayo. I-reels mo.
Mas marami dito pag Sabado. Merong mga sexy dun, oh. Sasayaw yan mamaya. Ay.
Give yourself a big let's try that one more time, starting off with the rainbow.
There are rainbows
After that,
and all the flowers.
give yourself a big rainbow.
I love you. Pineapple, pineapple,
Aloha!
Please give us the food preparation and the unveiling of the pu'aklo or roasted pig, which has been cooking in our imu running an oven for the past 8 hours. But first, can everyone say ono?
Oh no!
Ono means delicious. Please give a round of applause for our lady. 2 and 3. And there you have it, day 2 of cooking here in the islands. Our content bring up our close to you folks, that way give it a snapshot. In the meantime, back our hula mains. Please give another round of applause for our ladies and
Hi! Aloha!
We are at the Waikiki Beach in Hawaii, our last tour, last leg of our tour. So, it is sunset here now. The sun has set. Nag-dinner na kami, pabalik na kami sa aming Airbnb. Saan si Austin? Nawala sa tabi ko. Nakikipagkwentuhan pa sa akin, nawala na bigla.
Nakakasa na English mo.
Early shades from the ocean, shining in the sun, coloring the shore. When I see them,
Mahalo, Waikiki! Thanks for watching! Please subscribe, like, and share! Bye!
Ano yan? Ano yan? Nonchalant. Kailangan mo.
Hi guys! This is the end of our Hawaiian tour. Thank you for watching, Nanaisters. Hope you like our videos for our 4-day tour here in Hawaii. I would like to personally thank Vinny and Austin for accommodating us here, and especially to Vinny and Neil where we stayed here in Hawaii. Meet again. See you again. Bye Hawaii. Aloha. Mahalo.